welcome back. This is Valerie here again. I am just doing a short follow-up video to the one I did showing how to use old chair frames to make a lounge chair. Now, I actually didn't stop at the bare wood. I decided to add some cushions that I had done for some other chairs that had to go, some wooden chairs. I kept the cushions because they were still very good, and so I've decided to use it to clad the wood to give my back and my neck a soft place to rest, and my bum also a soft place to sit on. And not only did I add the cushions, but I actually added at the foot of the chair, I added a place to rest my snack. Well, I'm saying but I have a family with 3 boys, which my 2 sons and my hubby, I'm sure they're gonna want to be using it. So most of the time I'm working in the garden, I guess they will be using it. Okay, it's a family affair. So if you have old chair frames similar to these, or even not similar to these, you can check out my other video and you will see how I use just a regular metal chair frame to make a garden bench. Until next time, if you like my videos, please hit the notification button so you can be the first to be updated of my new videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and tell somebody about my channel. Until next time, walk good.